Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the front right hand side headlight bulb on this Ibiza. This particular model is 2011. So the way we're going to get to the bulb is, let me just point out which bulb it is. This is the bulb we're going to replace because it's blown. So the way we're going to get to the headlight bulb is, we're going to pull this clip upwards to remove the cover. So that's the cover nicely been removed. So the next thing I'm going to do is we're going to pull this connector here. Okay, so basically this headlight bulb is two-legged bulb, which means it's 8-7 type headlight bulb. So the next thing I'm going to do is we're going to free the bulb from this uh, slot. So the way we're going to free the bulb from this slot is we're going to press this clip, we're going to push this clip down and then move it in this manner, and then we're going to bring the clip down. So this is how we pull out the old blown headlight bulb out. Here comes the replacement bulb. This one is 8-7 as well. There we go. So all the bulbs, they come with this protective sleeve, which we're gonna remove. Make sure that when you remove it you don't touch the lens. So I'm making sure that I don't leave any fingerprints on the lens itself, on the bulb. There we go. So that's the protective sleeve removed. So the way the bulb is gonna fit is that like this. So this stud should be facing upwards. So let me set the angle on the mobile. Here comes the new bulb. So the bulb fits in this manner. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring the clip in. So this is the clip to secure the bulb in place. Here we go. So that's the bulb clip fully home. Next, we're gonna bring in this harness connector. The way harness connector connects in is like this. So the next we're gonna fit the headlight cover back on. So the way the cover gets fitted is like this. So this part here slides in there into that slot. So this is how it's gonna get fitted. So all the way down, push it in, and then just fit the clip. Okay, so this clip fits in like this. Job done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the ignition on, and I'm gonna turn the headlight on to make sure that it's working fine. Turn the ignition on, and then we're gonna turn the light on. There we go friends, job done. Thank you very much for watching the video.